Hey everybody, hope you had time to watch my first basketball video for dribbling and for your ball handles. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to do a bounce pass. And the bounce pass is important in basketball. It's a basic one, especially for people who are trying to defend you and they have their hands up high in the air. Or maybe you do a fake shot or a fake pass and they put their hands up. Well, if their hands are up, then you want to do a pass that's down low so they can't intercept it. So this bounce pass is important, it's easy, and it's one of the more basic passes. And even before we start, a bounce pass is not throwing the ball. We will be pushing the ball. I repeat, we will not be throwing the ball. 1 foot forward for balance.
1 foot forward for balance.
Show a target.
Show target.
Waist level.
Waist level.
Hands out front. Foot in front. Hands. Don't be afraid of the ball. Step for power.
Step for power.
Waist height.
Waist height.
Extend the arms.
Extend the arms.
Lock the elbows.
Lock the elbows.
Thumbs down.
Thumbs down.
If I'm receiving the ball, 1 foot for balance. Waist level. Show a target. I pull the ball in. If I'm passing a ball, 1 foot for power. Waist height. Lock the elbows, extend the arms, thumbs down. That's how you pass a ball. So Annie is standing in a square, and we did a fraction because she is trying to throw the ball 2/3 of the way to Maisie and bounce it. So if I follow the line, I came to this yellow box. This yellow box is 2/3 of the way to Maisie. If Annie bounces it in the yellow, it should go right into Maisie's hands. If Annie can bounce it right into the yellow, it will go right into Maisie's hands. I wonder if they can do it. Nice one. Now switch sides, guys. So the second one is that we're going to try passing 3/4 across. So if I'm using my fractions and I come across, I have 1, I have 2, and now I have 3/4, which is a little bit further away than 1/3. And then I come to the end where Annie is standing here. I come down my line for fractions, and I come to Maisie, so she's going to have to pass the ball a little bit harder at the ground to get up to this one. Switch! Aim for that blue box, Annie. Look at that. Show me those extension of the arms with the thumbs down. Nice one. Nice one. That's better. Look at it. It's going right into your chests. Hey, I'm getting jealous. You're not allowed to move with the basketball. That would be a travel. So a good pass. 1 foot for power. Waist height. Just hold the ball in front of you. You don't need to do this. Hold the ball. Look at your target. Thumbs down. Lock the elbows. Easy as that.